This production line is the basic equipment for the production of salted nuts, which can complete the preheating, flavoring, roasting and cooling processes. Step 1: Nuts preheating. Roast whole peanuts and cashews in a swing oven. Roast at 110 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. The preheated nuts are more convenient for the penetration of salt. Step 2: Nut seasoning. Put the preheated peanuts and cashews into the star anise seasoning machine. Pour salt water. The unique seasoning machine makes each nut fully bathed in salt water. Step 3: Nuts roasting. Pour the wet peanuts into the roasting machine, and roast the peanuts at a temperature of 165 to 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Pour the wet cashew nuts into the roasting machine. The roasting temperature is 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Roasting allows the salt to gradually penetrate into the nuts. The unique structure design of the roasting machine makes each nut roast evenly. Step 4: Nuts cooling. Cool the cashews. The final material is low temperature and can be directly packaged.